Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers, all subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. On this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection. So open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps, and when you reach on Google Play Store you search for this app. So the app is known as TCX Tunnel Plus. So you search for that, and among the presented you pick this one, TCX Tunnel Plus. Then take note of the app name, app icon, and install this app on your device. So let me take this chance to say that on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection at the extra of security when you are online, and also this app, it will help you to secure your connection at the extra of security when you are online. So you must set up the app. So you open it, and in case you are new on the channel, as we open this app, please like, share and subscribe on this channel. And when you reach in the app interface, you'll be required to set it up. First of all, you'll be required to tap on the three lines right here, and when you tap on the three lines, you are required to update the app resources. So you tap on online update. So when you tap on the online update option, the app will start to check for available updates, and it will update to the latest version, and it will provide you with the best service as you are using it. And the other setting is you are required to pick a server. Where you see auto server, you are required to pick any of the presented server. So for today's guide, I recommend you to pick any of the available servers. So you can either pick the auto server or one of the presented. So after picking a server of your choice, you are required to pick a connection method. So for today's guide, I'm gonna show you, or we're gonna pick the UDP World Internet, the UDP all network hysteria. This option right here, it is working for all network and it's working for all countries in the world. If UDP is supported in your country, this option will definitely work for you. So you pick UDP World, this one right here, or you can call it UDP hysteria. It is fast and secure when you are online. And the other setting is you are required to add on time. Where you see time credit, you press this button to add on your connection time. Please note that in case you run out of time, this app will stop working. So make sure to pick to add on its connection time by tapping on this button right here. And when you tap on the connection on this add the time button, the app will add on the connection hours of securing your connection. To insert a super fast and a secure connection when you are using this app, you are required to tap on this start button. And when you tap on this start button, this app will be connected and your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up TCX Tunnel Plus to get an extra layer of security to secure our online connection as we are using the internet. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel.